Hi, this is Valary, and today's recipe is caramelized onion and mushroom pizza.
My name is Michael, and I'm from upstate New York. This is my wife, Valary. She's from Kenya. When I was 30 years old, my mother gave me an incredible gift. This homemade cookbook, which took her years to produce, contains over 400 family recipes. One morning, after Mom passed away, we decided to honor her by preparing every recipe in that book. To make it interesting, we thought Valary should be the chef. Can a Kenyan transplant conquer her mother-in-law's opus? Let's find out. This is Valary Cooks the Book.
So here's the list of ingredients that you'll need for this recipe. 1 to 2 packs of mushrooms of your choice. We went with baby Bella. 2 teaspoons of olive oil. 1 large onion cut into thin strips. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 prepared pizza dough. 3 ounces of grated mozzarella cheese and 4 teaspoons of chopped fresh sage. I'm very excited to make this recipe because I've never made pizza ever. And if I'm successful, I am officially the better cook of the house. Because the only thing that Michael makes better than me is pizza and pancakes.
Yeah, we'll see about that. We'll see.
You are going down, mister.
Let's see how this turns out.
You're going down.
Time for a recap. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot.
So I'm gonna preheat and kind of like just heat up the pizza stone for like 10 minutes before I actually start cooking.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes you want to preheat that stone, or else the dough will stick to it and you won't be able to get it off when you're done cooking.
Okay, so next I'm gonna start with mushrooms. The mushrooms are already sliced, so I'm just gonna saute them in olive oil for 1 to 2 minutes. I'll use a little bit of medium heat. Okay, that's perfect. Just enough to get it well coated and to cook the mushrooms down. But as you can see now, they are no longer dry. They're a little bit more. Oh, I don't want to use that word.
Moist?
Yeah. Thank you.
My pleasure.
So we're gonna start caramelizing the onions. Again, same thing. I'm just gonna first of all put a little bit of the olive oil.
Yeah, I made this for Valary for the first time not that long ago. And I didn't know how to caramelize onions the first time I made this. But it's not that difficult.
No, it's just browning onions. I know this calls for some sugar to caramelize. I normally don't caramelize with sugar, but I'll do it just to remain faithful to the recipe. I think this is well caramelized because you also are gonna bake it and it's gonna continue cooking. What do you think, babe?
Looks and smells good. Honestly, babe, I would have gone for another onion. We could do more.
Well, I think this is good because I like pizza with less toppings.
All right, fair enough. Let's do the dough.
I asked Michael whether I can use a rolling pin, but he said I cannot. So this should be interesting. Let's see. Okay, so what do I do?
You just knead it with your hands.
Okay, so just like one?
Yeah, and it kind of naturally wants to go into a circular shape. So just keep making the circle larger. Valary's using flour with the dough. Otherwise, it would stick to your hands. It would stick to the counter. It'd be very hard to work with. Unlike my talent, who is very easy to work with.
Huh. Okay. So I can't use a rolling pin?
You can if you want to. I may have been fibbing.
You use rolling pin?
I've probably used the rolling pin
Ha.
before.
I know. I was like, how did that move?
Trying to be authentic.
I think it would be easier to be authentic if it's a smaller pizza.
Oh, you know what? Sometimes I use gravity. I'll pick it up and hold it like on its side, and then I'll just circle it in my hands, and the gravity helps to
like
extend. No, hold it.
Oops.
Hold the edge.
Oh, like
Like that, yeah, and then just keep doing circles with your hands. Yep. Well, and then when this gets placed on the hot pizza stone, you'll be able to further shape it out.
Okay. Looks a little bit round, and I'll take that. So it's ready. I'm gonna be transferring this to the pizza stone.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the tricky part.
Okay, let's try this.
Once it's on there,
Uh-oh.
it doesn't want to move,
Okay.
as Valerie is learning in real time.
Okay, what do I do?
Just keep pulling at it. Just keep working with it. Don't touch the stone.
No?
Fix that hole.
Okay, this edge is farther than this edge.
It happens.
There you go.
For some reason, for this recipe, Mom wants us to put the cheese on first, which, is unlike any pizza I've ever heard of. But, we can't deviate too much. So we're just gonna, we'll put some of the cheese on the bottom, and then we'll put some on top.
Okay, so that's half of the bottom. And then we're gonna put the rest of the ingredients. So maybe we should have made more onions, babe. You're right.
Oh.
Yeah.
I did, if you remember, ladies and gentlemen, I suggested cooking another onion, and
Valary was too stubborn.
Valerie was stubborn, yes.
I already like this pizza. It totally looks very pretty. So we're gonna top it off with the leftover cheese. Yay! Oh, yes. Oh, would you look at that? My fast pizza.
Not bad.
So we're gonna give it a little bit more time to cool down, and I'll be back to taste. Oh, it's not stuck.
Yeah, Dad was right.
So the pizza has been cooling for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm starving. I haven't eaten since breakfast, so I'm actually excited to try and just eat it. So here we go. Yes. Absolutely amazing.
Well, you liked it when I made it, but we didn't know how it would turn out when Valerie made it.
This is so much better.
Oh, is it now?
The sage?
Yeah, I didn't use sage.
This is so good. Oh, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Right? The sage just brings everything together.
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
It's really good. There's nothing like making pizza at home. Yeah, we're out of here, folks. We're ready to eat. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Thank you for watching. So that is all, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you happen to try the recipe, let me know what you think about it. See you next time.